Once again, welcome to Lucky Union Foods, your source for prime surimi products. As in 2016, we're lifting off the year, as it has already started of course, but it's April the fair, I cannot change that. Moving to some exciting new products, which Elizabeth Fisher of Intrafish, beautiful woman standing behind the camera, is gonna show me, and which is like, as usual, like excellent surimi with brilliant surimi content into 50%. We have our beautiful products lying on the other side. Just come with me, Elizabeth. All this surimi is just like new innovation. We can't wait for you guys to visit us and have a look at us.